Hey everyone, Ice Cream here, and welcome to what is going to be a very special video. Special thanks to SFG for sending us the 2-player starter set. And guess what? It's plastic. Plastic minis back to Warmachine. This is awesome. Thank you, SFG, for sending this to us early. Really appreciate that, and we will just get right into it. Oh, the plastic bases fell out. They have your typical bases. If these... yes, they are SFG branded. That's pretty cool. Typical round lip bases, which we have something special for the bases planned. We have all the plastic. There is, I believe, 5 runners of models and 1 runner of terrain. There's also this dope poster in the box. Cool little art. I flubbed it up a little bit because I'm a goofball, but it's still okay. On the back here, we have how to build the miniatures with instructions, where you get the app, play the rules. Nothing else in the box. It's pretty simple, to the point of buy the box, download the rules, play the game. It's good to see plastic minis because these are obviously going to be more durable than like some of the resin bits. Even though some of the new resin's good, but this is going to be awesome. Overall quality just looks. We'll just do a super quick overview of this stuff. It looks super good. I'm going to build the models and we'll be right back, kind of thing. Jack, all of it does look pretty close to push fit or easy enough to build without instructions if you didn't have it. Terrain is pretty sweet. I do like that they included terrain. Be using this in our bat rep coming. Very simple, very to the point. So I will get this built up, cleaned up, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes, and we'll be right back. Hey everyone, Ice King here, and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the little spinorama B-roll for the showing off the models all built. They are fantastic models. I cannot get over them. The detail on these are sweet. They feel fantastic. And let's start with the best model right here, the wall. How awesome! Kidding. Terrain's cool, but the real stars shows are like Deuce. Like, come on, this guy looks so good. Building experience overall is fantastic. The only thing I will say is I did not have instructions. They did not load for me. They will be ready by the time they come out, I'm sure. Follow the instructions because I missed. Get my tweezer so I can point this out, and I can actually just zoom in like this. I missed a piece to put in. And I'm a goofball. And this piece right here, excuse the fuzzy, gets glued in when you before you glue in this piece and this piece. Because it goes, the head slides in. So you need to do this piece first. So please do not forget that piece when you do glue yours. But I was able to Operation Surgery, play the children's game, and get this back in, and it looks just fine. Back out one. There we go. But like this model, and also the only problem I've had with this model is a seam line that I was able to fix so easily. So like nothing's wrong with this. Like this awesome model, love it. Razor, fantastic, love him. Big chunky boy. This is gonna be my best boy. I don't know why I still have those. Great model. You saw. He had hip plates for armor, which I thought was pretty fun. Like this is a separate piece. Now here's my gripe with it. Vilkul. Girl, I love you. You're awesome. You're a great model. You're cool to play with. You are 21 pieces. You are 21 pieces, and I do not know why. That like fair warning for people. She's a lot of parts. She's a fun once, and if you had instructions, I'm sure it'd be easier. I did not have the. I was. These are all super flat. These are all little nub marks that are flat. My brain's not big enough to figure out how to build her. I think I spent a little too much time on her. But actually leads me to my good point of how long this takes to build. Let's just say you're building your half. You're building just the half of the models, and you have the instructions. It's gonna take like 2 hours tops. I think that's a fine build time for the overall experience. 2 hours, get model ready, glued to base. These aren't glued to base because I'm gonna paint them. This guy's sweet, and we can go into this. I'm really happy they did the effects separately. So I can just put you here, and then you have this guy's got all the effects. He's got the rocket blast in the back. He also has this effect, which I didn't know if I wanted to glue on yet, so I didn't. The little smoke effect. The Orgoth head. This guy's awesome. He's really cool. He's a dope model. Show off Caine now. Where'd he go? He's hiding. Caine was an awesome, fun build. You can get super close on him now. He has tons of good detail on him. All the back and forth. Fantastic model. Went together very well. It was very easy to put together. Very impressed with these guys. Glass is good. And I think the reason, and this goes back into like the reason there's so many parts, I think is to remove seam lines. And like, so we don't get like a Marvel Crisis Protocol problem of like this awesome star model has this giant leg line down his leg. And like that was like, there's not a seam line on this model. That's like a real problem. I'm a huge fan of that. And like nothing's bad. Everything looks great. There's no blaring issues. Overall for a first induction of like plastic from SFG, crushed it overall. They did an excellent job of putting like the nub marks where places they didn't need, they won't be seen, or they're behind the model, or they're under the shoulder pad. They are awesome. They crushed it. I love this kit for a 2-player battle box just starting out. Like you and your buddy are buying these models, and you will probably have, if you're an experienced builder, you'll be fine. If you're a new guy, new hobbyist, new player, you'll probably have a little bit of issues maybe out the gate, but I don't think it's going to be so bad that you are going to mess it up, because everything fits together how it's supposed to. Perfect fits, everything just slides into place. They have fun options. They have the terrain, the little bits. Like Caine has these extra 2 weapons that you can choose from. And so if you don't want, I chose the weapon effects on Caine. We're all big fan. I think the price point, obviously everyone's talked about it. It's fantastic. $100. Split it with a friend. $50. You get everything you need to play. Everyone has dice. I see people online, they're like, I think they need dice. I don't think they need dice. Everyone has dice, or you can buy cool dice that fit in your army. Like, dice are fine. The quick start rules will be tied to this paper, I believe, which I'm totally for. Keep it on your phone, get you using the app, get you used to the app. But I can see the argument for having like quick start rules and paper instructions. But I think the PDF instructions will be just fine once they're there. And even without it, it is definitely doable to build without. Yeah. Overall, I am super thankful that I was able to get these early. I will be painting these up very soon. This is a little test space of Tron that we're doing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I covered everything that I wanted to and didn't miss anything. If you have any thoughts, comments, and concerns, please let me down below. And I'd love to hear it. Love chat about this because this is a new era of plastic minis for Warmachine. And I think it's gonna be family shot right here. Top down view. 1v1 action. Who wins? Probably Caine, because Caine's really good. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Expect some more videos this week in the coming weeks. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.